Hi, I'm Niraj Mathwan, President of Software Merchant. Today, I would like to share my thoughts on AR, Augmented Reality, and some of the AI apps which we're developing. So AR, a lot of apps which we're working on. AR is a interactive experience of the real world environment where the objects in the real world are enhanced by computer generated perpetual information. What do I mean by that? Okay, I mean some of that perpetual information I'm talking about is across multiple sensory modalities, like including visual, audio or haptic and somatosensory kind of instruments. And some of the industries verticals we're working on is retail, residential accessory apps, healthcare we're working on, gaming, and obviously education. Talking about retail, I mean, we have a client in New York. They are into shoe manufacturing, and they have an online shoe application, and they want to augment that application with augmented reality kind of and mobile app where users don't have to give measurement of the shoe sole, shoe size. I mean, they do a lot of good fitting, and so they want an app to do the sizing and everything using an iPhone. That's one of those things which come to my mind. Another, residential apps you're making, for stores like Home Depot, Lowe's, IKEA, Amazon. They have some very interesting wall paint, how you can imagine walls are going to look like with these paints, with this furniture. So yeah, similarly we are doing some of the mobile apps with augmented reality and AI for healthcare, gaming. I'm not too much familiar with what we're doing with the gaming world, but definitely it's not Pokemon or Pokemon Go kind of thing. Education with OCR readers and whatnot. I think this pretty interesting. One of the apps which is my favorite is for State Farm like insurance companies, where you have a mobile app in your car running, and you are basically going through driving and you're getting those discounts. It's all artificial intelligence at that point. How it's calculating your distance at speed you're going, and how much of a safe driver you are. So this is becoming mainstream. This is not some far-fetched reality anymore. We are working on these AI and augmented reality type of applications on daily, weekly basis for a lot of our clients. Orange Theory is another one. Fitness, which is another phenomenal lab which they're doing, and they're bringing in a lot of AI and augmented reality work, so AR work. So I'll share more with you as things roll out, but things are really heating up for AR for sure. We have a lot of young graduates coming to us who would like to jump into AR, AI, and they think these are something standalone, but it's not. I mean, mobile apps is one way of getting into your feet into AR and AI world. Because what else? Well, that's the best way to get in, because mobile gives you not only experience with developing mobile apps for other like Bluetooth and whatnot, but also bringing in sensories like we discussed before, and playing those sensories modalities into perpetual information, bringing the perpetual information and combining them with the objects. And we do all this stuff over here. So if you are a fresh graduate, you want to jump onto the internship where you would learn AR and AI, how it works together, along with developing mobile apps and launching a successful career, do let us know and we'll help you out.